Underway in Tennessee to expand the rights for crime victims. Marsy's Law is named for a woman killed by her ex-boyfriend back in 1983. Supporters say it's an effort across the country to grant crime victims rights equal to the accused. 10 News reporter Maria Guzman explains the changes supporters of the law want to see in Tennessee.
I had a feeling that my dad was no longer alive.
David Tony was 25 years old when his dad was carjacked and kidnapped in Kentucky.
He was pistol whipped from behind and thrown into the van as he...
Tom Tony was found shot and killed 33 days later.
Took him and tied him to a tree at an abandoned industrial park.
David was his father's right-hand man and now his advocate.
He kept me out of trouble and I got him into trouble.
The killer became eligible for parole in 2020, but it failed. A policy change by the state parole board made the killer eligible again. But Marsy's Law in Kentucky helped his dad's killer remain behind bars.
Marsy's Law was able to get in there and fight that legally. If not, we wouldn't have had a leg to stand on.
David and other advocates are working to bring Marsy's Law to Tennessee.
It's compiled of 13 different amendments.
The law is framed to ensure crime victims get access to information about their cases or their loved ones' cases.
I mean, we haven't had a constitutional amendment change for crime victims in Tennessee in over 25 years.
Supporters say Marsy's Law in Tennessee would provide equal rights to crime victims and have the same rights as their accused and convicted.
That was Maria Guzman reporting. State lawmakers plan to pick up the bill again Monday. It must pass both the House and Senate. Voters would then have a chance to weigh in during a general election next year.